The average person spends close to 20,000 hours of their life in the bathroom. Did you know that? That's over 2 solid years of your existence in a space that most people overlook. But the good news is a bathroom design revolution is happening right now. People like you are transforming their ordinary bathrooms into bold spaces that reflect their personality and style. Hello, I am Trish Debnam, and this is Trish Talks. And I am genuinely excited about these bold bathroom transformations. So in today's video, I'll show you how to incorporate 7 bold bathroom ideas into your bathroom's redesign. Let's dive right in. Bold bathroom element number 1, statement tile. What's that saying? Go bold or go home? Is that a saying? Oh shit, go big or go home. Or something like that. Big or go home? You know what I mean, go bold or go home. In most bathrooms, you're gonna need some tile. Using tile with unique textures, geometric patterns, and vibrant colors will instantly catch the eye and create visual interest. Here I love that this is a simple subway tile in the shower, but the high gloss burgundy finish gives it a bold uniqueness. And then they paired it with a plaid floor tile. This is where the solid meets the pattern. They left the rest of the space in neutral tones, not to compete with the bold tile choices. In this bold bathroom, they paired a textured green tile with a bold geometric tile. And now you see the floor and the vanity are done in neutral colors, not to overwhelm the space. And don't be afraid to play with grout colors too. The same tile can look dramatically different with different grout colors. Or you can find a unique color grout that enhances the tile and complements the other bathroom fixtures. Bold bathroom element number 2, graphic wallpaper. Okay, so perhaps you're not comfortable committing to a bold permanent tile. Wallpaper can help you with those commitment issues. I have used peel and stick wallpaper on many projects now, and I love it. A small bathroom can now become a memorable experience. Think of animal patterns or botanical prints, or maybe organic shapes that are paired with bold colors to create that bold look. Wallpaper offers quite a variety. But now on a side note, many of today's wallpapers are water resistant. However, I don't typically put wallpaper in bathrooms with high humidity levels. And the reason is because in the past, I have seen wallpaper pucker and even peel off the wall in steamy conditions. And so in those cases, wallpaper can be high maintenance. And so I just typically use wallpaper in half bathrooms. But now, that's just me. Bold bathroom element number 3, paint colors that pop. Okay, so we went from tile to wallpaper, now to paint. Even a commitment phobe has options here. So even though there's thousands of paint colors out there, today we're talking about bold paint colors. So let's start with using paint colors in deep jewel tones, like emerald green or sapphire blue. Or going bold with an orange paint color, or maybe even some stripes. Look up. Try painting your ceiling with a bold color for some unexpected drama. Or better yet, use a bold color in a high gloss finish for that contemporary look. With paint, you can go bold without being scared. Bold bathroom element number 4, bathroom fixtures. Your bathroom fixtures are the elements you physically interact with every day. So they should be substantial in look and feel, because these are the touch points of your bathroom. So in a bold bathroom, they just need to act like jewelry in a room. They're not the outfit, they're just the earrings. So layer in metallic fixtures, pairing them with a great vanity. Or you can still go with black fixtures, because that still works too, contrary to what other people say. Even smaller elements like drawer pulls and towel racks can make a statement when you choose unexpected materials and shapes. Bold bathroom element number 5, lighting. Now, I can talk about lighting and its importance to interior design all day. But for this video, I'll just say think layers of lighting for your bold bathroom. Most people just make the mistake of just using one light over the mirror, which covers their faces in shadows and unflattering tones. In reality, you need recessed lighting for function and accent lights to highlight yourself and your favorite features in the bathroom. So try installing wall sconces at eye level on either side of your mirror for the most flattering, shadow-free reflection when you're getting ready. Pendant lights on the sides of the mirror do the same thing, but with a slightly more high design impact. For even more lighting, try installing a chandelier or an artisan light fixture for a more bold focal point in the room. Use motion sensor lighting for an unexpected high-tech touch. But at a minimum, install a dimmer light switch. The right lighting can transform your bold bathroom from beautiful and functional to absolutely magical. Bold bathroom element number 6, mirrors. Here you want to incorporate mirrors with unique frames and unexpected shapes and have features that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. Think of a gold frame that pops against dark walls or a mirror that's mounted via the ceiling. So try using round mirrors or asymmetrical mirrors that break up the rectangular elements in the bathroom. Or have you considered a mirror with integrated smart technology that displays the weather while you brush your teeth? Yeah, I like that. That's bold and functional. Okay, bold element number 7, the tub shower combo. Okay, so this is a bold concept in and of itself. So you can choose to add bold colors and bold tile if you want to, but you really don't have to. I am talking about the shower tub combo. Oh, no, not that one. Oh, I mean this one, the shower tub wet room. This is definitely a bold choice. Now you open the door into one space and you end up with 2 bathing options. You can either take a shower or you can soak in the tub. Now, if you choose to install bold tile throughout the space, this will certainly take the wet room to the next level. But again, the concept by itself is bold enough for me. How about you? The bold bathroom shift is happening because bathrooms have evolved from purely functional to personal sanctuaries where you can express yourself. So go bold or go home, and yes, I said it like that again. But before you do, go check out my next video, and I will see you next time. Peace.